Hello everyone, how are you all? I am also fine. I hope that you are also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. This is Santanu in front of you. I have come here once again for practicing purpose in this place. You can see the scenery is so beautiful behind me. All are greenery. Yeah, you can see. I am walking on the tiny path and the scenery is so beautiful. I belong to village area. That's why everywhere this kind of place are available in our locality, and whenever I get free time I always come here for my practicing purpose, because there is no one, yeah, there is no one who will disturb me. That's why I have selected this kind of place for practicing purpose. I know very well practice is the most important key. Yeah, without speaking we cannot learn this language. Listening and speaking both are very important. That's why I have selected this place. Yeah, today I will share few tips and tricks which are very important for learning the language. But before starting the video, I will show you this kind of scenery. You can see the scenery is so beautiful. The sun is shining brightly. Yeah, nowadays it is morning time. Time is around 9:30 a.m. And yesterday I thought I would make a video for my YouTube channel. That's why I have come here. And the last few days I did not make any video for my YouTube channel. That's why I have come here. And you can see everywhere all are greenery, and the weather is very comfortable right now. The weather is, that's why I have come here. And yes, to learn any language, few tips and tricks very important. Number one, listening is the most important. Listening and speaking both are very important for learning the language, because always you have to think how did you learn your native language. Always by listening and by speaking. That's why listening and speaking both are very important. And before speaking English, always you have to listen a lot. Listening is an art. If you are a good listener, definitely one day you will be a good speaker. Listening is an art. If you want to learn this language, first of all, always you have to listen whatever you like. For example, you like watching movie, you like watching cricket, whatever you like, always you have to listen. And always you have to watch in English and with subtitle. Yeah, listening is an art. Listening and speaking is also another part. And what is the most important part for learning this language? If you asked me, the most important is listening and speaking. Yeah, yes, there are so many parts which are very important. LSRW, listening, reading, writing, speaking. And another part is very important, that is thinking. Yeah, and grammar part is also English grammar is important, and vocabulary part is important, and pronunciation is very important. There are so many parts, but most important is listening and speaking. Every single day always you have to listen regular basis, and always you have to speak regular basis. If you don't speak, you cannot learn this language. Always you have to open your mouth. Yeah, always you have to open your mouth. Whatever you have in your mind, always you have to express yourself. Yeah, first time mistake is common. Everyone makes mistakes. First time you make few mistakes while speaking English, but don't worry about making mistake is common. Yeah, everyone makes mistakes. And if you don't make mistakes, you cannot learn this language. Making mistake is the way of learning this language. That's why I am telling you, don't worry about making mistakes. Right now also I am making the video for my YouTube channel. After making the video, I will watch very carefully what kind of mistake I was doing, yeah, while speaking English. And in this way also, after that also I will find out what kind of mistake I was doing. After that I have to rectify. In this way also you can learn this language. Yeah, don't worry about making mistake. Making mistake is a way of learning this language. That's why don't worry about making mistakes. And always you have to speak regular basis. Yeah, and whatever you have in your mind, always you have to speak. And I follow these rules, and wherever I go and whatever I see, I always try to express myself. For example, I have come here for making this kind of video. You can see there are so many trees behind me. You can see the sun is shining above my head, and everywhere all are greenery. and the weather is very comfortable. Yeah, you can see there is a goat. Yeah, there is a goat behind me, and you can see the color of the goat. This is a black goat. Yeah, in this way also you can, whatever you will see, always you have to think in English and always you have to speak in English. Yeah, and when, as far as I remember, when I started my English speaking journey, at that time every single day I used to speak in front of camera 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Yeah, and after completing the video, I watched very carefully what kind of mistake I was doing while speaking English. Yeah, in this way also you can start your English speaking journey. But for improving your English skill, always you have to open your mouth. Yeah, always you have to speak. And yes, you don't have any partner for practicing purpose. Maybe you belong to village area, I belong to village area. I don't have a lot of don't have any partner for practicing purpose. But don't worry about, yeah, don't worry about, nowadays the social media is available. There are so many applications available in the Play Store, you can see. And hi bro, experiences, CV, this kind of hello stock, and there are so many applications available in the Play Store. You can download over there, and you can talk with. There are so many people who are waiting there. Yeah, you can connect with me. Yeah, I follow these rules, and I use. Still now I am using the CV application, and using this application, and I connect to another person. Yeah, every single day 30 minutes I talk to another people. And speaking is the most important part. Always you have to speak regular basis. If you can't speak English, you can learn this language. Speaking is the most important part. Yeah, I follow these rules. Yes, reading is also important, and you, by reading you can learn so many new vocabulary which are very important. And by reading you can learn so many new vocabulary, and vocabulary part is also important. But I don't like reading, it is boring to me. That's why I had to face a lot of problem for improving my vocabulary skill. But whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English. And at that time I watch the YouTube video in English with subtitle. And at that time I did. Yeah. And after watching the whole video, I find out few new vocabulary from those video. And after collecting the new vocabulary, I try to make a new sentence using those vocabulary. I know very well if I don't make new sentence using those vocabulary, definitely I will forget. Yeah, that's why I follow these rules. And the vocabulary part is also important because I belong to village area, and during my study I was very weak English subject, and at that time I could not write one sentence in English properly. But nowadays by practicing I am being able to speak English little bit. Yeah, and that's why I follow these rules. And another part is very important. Writing is also important. Yeah, if you practice writing, you will improve faster. Yeah, writing is also important. If you, yeah, whenever I get free time, whenever I chat with my friends, I always write in English. And at the beginning time when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I started following this kind of rule. And at that time I wrote so many sentences in Facebook and WhatsApp. At that time I made so many mistakes in my writing. But nowadays I can write properly, there is no problem. But I can't speak properly. That's why I am practicing right now. I know very well practice is the most important key. Yeah, and thinking is very important. Yeah, always you have to think in English. And if you want to learn this language, always you have to make this kind of video every single day and different kind of topic. Yeah, if you don't have any topic, I will suggest you few topic. And you can, first of all, you can express your daily routine. Yeah, daily routine. And for example, I get up early in the morning. After that I go to the morning walk, and after coming back I take my breakfast. In this way also you can express your thought. Whatever you are doing in a whole day, always you have to speak. Yeah. And for example, you can use this topic for nowadays mobile phone. You have a one mobile phone, and using those mobile phone you can make new sentence. For example, I have a smartphone. Yeah, I have a smartphone. I have purchased this phone last few days ago, and this phone is not working very well because it is not a hi-fi phone, it is a normal phone. And using this phone I am making this video. In this way also you can express yourself, yeah. And nowadays behind me you can see there are so many trees over there. You can make a new sentence using those trees, yeah. How much important the tree in our society, you know very well. From those trees I get food, flowers, medicine, and most important we will get from the trees the oxygen. Oxygen is the very important, you know very well. In this way also always you have to speak, yeah. Always you have to select one topic, and after that always you have to speak regular basis, and always you have to practice. In this way also you can improve your English skill. But if you don't speak English, you cannot learn this language, yeah. But always you have to speak regular basis. I follow these rules. All right, today that's enough. All right, nice to meet you. Take care, bye bye, have a good day.